What if you could post viral-looking cooking videos every day without cooking, filming, editing, or showing your face? No kitchen, no camera, no skills. In this video, I'm breaking down CuisineMotion, a brand new DIY content system that lets beginners publish and even resell high-quality food videos in minutes. Stay till the end because I'm also giving away exclusive bonuses that turn this into a full online income system, not just another tool. Let's be straight, CuisineMotion is not a magic button that prints money, but if you want ready-made food videos you can use, post, or resell, this is one of the easiest entry points I've seen this year. Low price, beginner-friendly, no learning curve. If your biggest problem is I don't know how to make videos or get traffic, this directly removes that excuse. So what exactly is CuisineMotion? CuisineMotion is a cloud-based content library that gives you done-for-you cooking and food-related videos, recipes, and visual assets. You can use these videos to post on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, build faceless food pages, drive traffic to affiliate links, or resell the content using included PLR rights. This is ideal for new affiliate marketers, people with no camera or editing skills, anyone wanting faceless content, PLR buyers, and digital product flippers. You don't need an email list, you don't need ads, you don't need experience. Once you log into CuisineMotion, everything is laid out clearly. On the main dashboard, you'll see categorized food video collections. These include different cooking styles, recipe visuals, and short-form video formats designed for vertical platforms. You simply choose a video, download it, add text, music, or a voiceover if you want, upload it to your platform. Most users won't even edit. These are already formatted to look clean and scroll-friendly. There are also recipe assets you can pair with the videos for captions, blog posts, or lead magnets. This is content you can deploy fast. No complicated settings, no tech headaches.
Day after day, you work tirelessly, chasing the dream of wealth and freedom. Yet, the results, they're not there. Why? Because the secret to success isn't working harder. It's working smarter with the right tools. There's one thing that separates struggling marketers from those who thrive. It's having a powerful, irresistible product that your audience can't ignore. But here's the truth, generic ebooks won't cut it anymore. Ordinary won't get you noticed. What you need is extraordinary. Introducing CuisineMotion with unrestricted PLR. CuisineMotion is your golden ticket to online success. A collection so rich, so irresistible, it's practically magnetic. With 120 professionally animated cooking videos and 50 beautifully designed recipe ebooks. This package is the ultimate secret weapon for capturing your audience's attention and dominating your niche. Here's what's inside this game-changing bundle. Module 1, Food and Beverage Recipe Story Animations. Eye-catching, snackable animations perfect for social media stories. Module 2, Food and Beverage Recipes Feed Animations. Shareable videos designed to shine in any feed. Module 3, Story Education Food and Beverage Animations. Teach and engage with captivating educational content. Module 4, Food and Beverage Tips Story Animations. Quick tips to keep your audience coming back for more. Module 5, Quick Recipes Vertical Animations. delicious recipes delivered in sleek, vertical formats. Module 6. Carousel Food and Beverage Recipes. Create stunning carousels to boost engagement. Module 7. Vertical Food Banner Designs. Professionally designed banners to elevate your campaigns. Module 8. Recipe eBooks. A treasure trove of recipe-packed ebooks ready to sell or rebrand. Every module is designed to grab attention, build trust, and drive profits like never before. Cooking is timeless. It's universal, and it's a niche that never stops thriving. This collection delivers premium, done-for-you animation content that your audience will crave. But here's the best part. It comes with unrestricted private label rights, giving you full control to rebrand it, sell it as your own, keep 100% of the profits. That's not just a product, it's a business in a box. Here's how easy it is to turn this into profits. Step 1. Log in and access your collection. Step 2. Rebrand it with your name or logo. Step 3. Start selling and watch the profits roll in. No hassle, no delays, just pure, recurring income. This is a limited time offer. The price increases with every purchase. And once it's gone, it's gone. Don't miss this chance to claim CuisineMotion at the lowest price and secure your future success. It's your time and your moment. Click the button below and unlock a collection that has the power to transform your business, your income, and your life. Don't wait. Success rewards those who act now.
CuisineMotion starts at a low front-end price, but there are optional upgrades. You'll see upgrades that add more viral cooking video collections, cinematic vertical videos for reels and shorts, massive PLR libraries beyond food, Canva planners and visual assets, faceless animation packs you can resell. These are not required, but if you plan to build multiple pages or resell content, they dramatically increase value. You can always skip them, but serious content builders usually pick at least one or two. If you grab CuisineMotion through the link below, you'll also get exclusive bonuses that are not included on the sales page. Here are just 10 of them. Bonus 1, Social Media Automation Toolkit. Schedule and auto-post your food videos across multiple platforms. Bonus 2, Keyword Research Ninja. Find low-competition keywords for YouTube Shorts and Google. Bonus 3, Email List Builder System. Turn food content into subscribers and long-term income. Bonus 4, Viral Content Caption Generator. Create scroll-stopping captions in seconds. Bonus 5, Faceless Video Monetization Guide. Learn how to monetize without showing your face. Bonus 6, Canva Content Templates. Professionally designed templates to brand your food content. Bonus 7, Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. Step-by-step system to monetize traffic properly. Bonus 8, Traffic Secrets Training. Free traffic methods that work without ads. Bonus 9, Conversion Optimization Tools. Turn views into clicks and sales. Bonus 10, PLR Resell Strategy Guide. Learn how to legally resell content for profit. These bonuses multiply what CuisineMotion can do for you. I'll remind you again before the end how to access them. Here's the bottom line. CuisineMotion is for people who want speed and simplicity. If you're tired of overthinking content, struggling with video creation, or feeling stuck because you don't want to be on camera, this solves that. The bonuses are limited, and once they're gone, they're gone. No extensions, no second chances. Click the link below now to lock in CuisineMotion and get all bonuses included. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more honest affiliate reviews. To get started, click the link below this video, secure your copy of CuisineMotion. After purchase, access your bonuses through the button on the thank you page. Remember, the bonuses expire soon and this deal won't stay at this price. Click the link below now and I'll see you inside.